It's October 13th, 2021, and today in the news, we are talking about drone delivery of mail. That is, royal mail delivery, that is. Drones are being used to deliver posts to a remote island in the Royal Mail trial as part of moves to reduce carbon emissions. This is the third test this year. Wind Racers Limited has developed the technology to help better connect remote island communities. This 2-week trial of scheduled autonomous flights will occur between Kirkwall and North Ronaldsay in the Orkney Islands. Now, the mail's being carried by a large twin-engine UK-built unmanned aerial vehicle called the Ultra, and it can transport up to 100 kilograms of post of all shapes and sizes, which is pretty much equivalent to a typical delivery route. Now, the letters and the parcels, once they get landed on the islands, they're going to be delivered to the residents in the usual way. And if the trial is successful, the technology will be considered by Royal Mail to support postmen and postwomen in delivering to very remote areas, and it addresses all over the UK. The great thing about UAVs is they can fly in poor weather conditions, including fog, and they are not affected by tides like boats. So the goal is to significantly reduce carbon emissions.